Hey everyone! So people are always asking us, okay, I want to buy a home. What is my first step? So I thought I would do a quick video. Typically, unless you have cash, the first step is to get pre-approved. It is very, very important that you get pre-approved first before you start searching for a home because there are many different loan types and there are so many things that go into it, like your debt to income ratio, the amount of down payment, your credit score, all of that plays in. And then all of that plays on to what type of house you can qualify for. So, if you can do USDA financing, that's 100% financing, and therefore the home has to be in excellent condition. No peeling paint, no broken windows, no roof leaks, nothing like that. So basically, if you're not pre-approved and we're showing you a house that won't pass for any loan other than what you're approved for, it's kind of a waste of time. And you could potentially fall in love with the home and then not be able to get it. So it's just really important. And then again, price point. You might be approved for a certain price point and we might be showing you houses outside of that price point. So there's many reasons why it is so important to get pre-approved first. Then based on your pre-approval, your amount, your loan type, that's when we go for begin the home search. USDA is also area specific, meaning that USDA won't loan in certain areas. So like Columbus, USDA will not loan in unless it is outside of the city. And there's a search engine on their website where you can go in and you can type the address. So message us anytime and we can share that link with you. But yeah, mainly rural lower income areas is all USDA will finance on. And so I'm pretty knowledgeable about like the areas. So if you ever have a question, feel free to shoot us a message anytime and we can tell you. So yeah, first step is pre-approval. Pre-approval is pretty simple for the most part. You talk with the lender on the phone or you send in an application on their website. And it's usually, anywhere from a 10 to 20 minute conversation. Depending on your situation, it could be a 30-minute conversation. But it's usually a quick conversation on the phone. The lender will then run your credit. It's always best if you have your financial documentation ready. If you don't, it's okay. But they're going to need your bank statements, your pay stubs, your tax returns, your W-2s. They're going to need all that stuff just to verify. And they want to make sure, your bank statements that you haven't had any large cash deposits that you can't prove with a paper trail of where they came from. So yes, that's step number one. Those are things that you can go ahead and get ready for, and don't be scared. I know a lot of people, they tend to run away because they're like, oh, I don't think I can qualify. Well, you might be surprised. I have had a lot of people over the years who didn't think they could buy, and I send them to the lender and they get approved and they buy home. So you just never know, and you don't know until you try. And a lot of the lenders that we work with are really, really knowledgeable, very experienced, and they can sit you down if you can't get approved now, and they can step by step say, hey, if you do this and you do this, you might qualify in 6 months, you might qualify in a year, but you have to follow this. And I've had a lot of people do that. They follow exactly what they're told to do, and then they're able to buy a home in the immediate future. So that's also an idea. But if you ever have any questions, feel free to private message us or text or call. Be happy to help answer any questions that you have. So happy Thursday, and I'll talk to y'all soon.